Good morning, everyone. So I just finished getting ready, and today is a really big day because I'm getting my hair cut. I haven't had my hair cut short in a long while, and that's what I'm planning to do today. So wish me luck. It's really exciting but also scary at the same time, but we are getting it done. But before that, I am gonna quickly clean up. I have about like 15 minutes before my hair appointment, so let's do it. This is what my hair looks like right now. It's pretty long, like almost at my belly button actually. So that's what it looks, and then we'll see how it'll look later after my haircut. I'm kind of scared. I haven't had a short hair in a long while. My hair is actually really short now, but I love it. I think she did a really great job with the layers and the bangs. Really framed my face really well, I think. But we'll take a look later once I get home. Hi! So this is the new hair. I love it. I think it really framed my face. It feels so light and airy.
Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda na!
I'm gonna interpret it.
Next naman, Ellen.
Go! What? No What guys?
You're...
Oh my god, you're so cute! Had it this shirt before? A very long time ago. Not when I was here, I think. Wait!
What do you want?
Where are you going? Catherine. Catherine? You're Catherine now, Catherine. Yo! Wait!
Not even close. Huh? Hey, what?
Because she was trying to record your reaction to her haircut, but she didn't know you had a haircut. So she recorded.
So it's like,
Ow! Damn!
What? Why do you have the same legs, bro?
How do you suppose I do that, bro? Whoa! Wait, send me that video.
hi everyone, so we are now on our way to 16100 Bread. And I'm really excited because this bakery is a Filipino-owned bakery. And they have a ube croissant. And I'm planning to also buy a loaf of bread and then freeze it. And then after that, we are going to hike. Sarap siya, love. I think it's better. Hey guys, so we just finished eating at 6100 Bread and everything was so good. I highly recommend going there. It's a Filipino-owned bakery, so it's nice to support a Filipino-owned business. And it's actually really good.
We made it at Peter Canyon
Park.
Should we go? Alright. Look at that, it's pretty. But it's so nice. Has accumulated already. Ang bigat. It's so heavy. I'm adding like a pound to each. Shit. I'm so glad we headed back because the rain has gotten stronger. No, love?
Yes.
But did you have fun?
Super fun.
Super fun. Is it yum?
Weird.
Good?
Yum.
Yeah?
So good.
Yum.
I can't stop smiling.
You happy?
Kaya ang problema.
Dalawa. May bola ka pa, kuya?
Full force talaga yung mga nag-iihaw. Lahat nakatingin. Lahat nakatingin.
Public viewing nga.
Sarap po ba? Isa na lahat, oh. Parang galing sa gera.
Oh, sarap. May instinct of powder na nilagay mo ano. Ano ba? Lana. Cold ba, ha? Ang gano.
Bumelo na. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, and I have my mom with me. Ma, say hi. Mother, say hi.
Hi.
And today we are going to make lumpia, or Filipino egg rolls, and baked mac. So we are currently setting up for that, as you can see here. We are making a separate YouTube channel for our cooking vlogs. That's our project. We're trying to make a recipe book and also make videos of the recipes for us and for our family, and to share it with all of you guys. All right, so we have to get started because we have guests coming. See you guys later. Bye. Alright, so we are now on our way to church. We are just gonna walk there because it's just a 12-minute walk from my house. And I'll see you guys later. Yaman na kaya lang Jezabel.